welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to be doing today is I want to make another Valentine DIY using items from the Dollar Tree and Target's Dollar Spot. I think this is really going to be cute. We're going to be making some candy jars for Valentine's. I made one, I think it was last year, and I'm going to, when I do a decorate with me for Valentine's, I'll be putting it with these. But I wanted something a little bit bigger than that little one that I made. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this super cute and sweet little DIY, okay? You'll need 2 of these containers that I hauled from Target's Dollar Spot. This one has like a reddish color on the top with the heart, and it was $3. And then one that says candy that I got there at the Dollar Spot, and it has like a pink top to it. Then you'll just need 3 Dollar Tree candle holders, just like this. Now I spray painted mine. I spray painted 2 of these in this light pink. It's the Valspar Gloss, and it is in Frosty Berry, and I love how that looks. Then I spray painted one in this color. I think it is so pretty, and I love the shine. It's gloss as well, and it is in the gloss poppy pink right there. But I love those 2 colors together. And then you'll just need a glue gun and some candy of your choice. And I'm going to put some of this lava cake kisses in here. I think these will be so good. And I'd like to thank everyone for the birthday wishes. We had a wonderful time. I had so much fun. We ate way too much. So I don't think I'll be trying out the candy because we totally overdid it with the dessert and then the meal. I'm still full, okay? And then I may incorporate some of these M&Ms. Now these I had left over. These I'm not going to eat. I think you probably could because they smell really good, but I'm trying to get away from some candy, so I'm just going to be reusing these, and I put them in a baggie, and I know that I can just reuse them every year. I may throw in some sweet tarts. I don't know, it just depends. And I may use some of these little stickers to embellish the one with the white heart. I got these, and I'm not even sure where. I had them last year, and I used them in a pocket letter that I did. But I think they're really pretty. I would say it was probably Michael's, I would say. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut everything off, and we'll get this quick, easy, really sweet DIY going. Okay, I went ahead and washed my candy jars and got that sticker off the bottom, and it came off really easy. But I wanted to let you know that these tops really fit snug down in those candy jars. Okay, so what we're going to do, I think I'm going to put the pink with the pink and this with this one. I'm pretty sure that's what I want to do. I don't think I want to switch it up. No, that's what I'm going to do. So this is really simple. I've made so many candy jars here on my channel. Just get a glue gun. Now, if you want this to be permanent, I tear mine down a lot. Use some E6000 and hot glue together. But I'm just going to put some glue on there, flip this over, and try my best to get this in the center and push down. But I think I did pretty well getting this on here, but the E6000, and if you use the hot glue with it, the hot glue will hold it until the E6000 sets up. So I like that, and I think that is really cute. Now we're going to do with this one, what we're going to do is just stack these. And like I said, I've done so many candy jars like this on my channel, it's not even funny. I have them for every holiday. Then you're just going to flip this up and line them up, and then press this down. And then that's what you have. I think it's so pretty. Then we're going to flip this one over. And with this, you need to put it right on this edge here. hope you can see what I'm doing. I think you can. Okay. Then we're just going to flip this over and try our best to get this as close to the center as possible. Now the bottom of these jars aren't totally flat. Okay, and then we're going to flip this up, and I think this is already so sweet. Okay, now all we have to do is fill them. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to put in this tall one, I think I'm going to put the lava, oh my gosh. Oh, if you love chocolate, this smells really good. All right, I'll probably be in those. Okay, and then we'll just, and you can see that really is a snug little fit. So there's that one. And then I think I'll just put these M&Ms in this one. You could put the candy hearts if you wanted. But I think this is cute. And like I said, these containers are very secure, okay? And that's what we have. Now I think I may take on this heart here and I may add something to it. Oh, definitely. Now, which color? I want to take this one. I'm going to take these little hearts right here. I think they're so pretty. And I'm going to put this right on this, right here to embellish it further. Okay, here they are. Let's take a look at them. I love this. This one reminds me of a gumball machine. I think it is so pretty. I love the top. I love the word candy, and this candy really looks pretty in here, plus it smells good. And then here is this one. I think it is so pretty, so festive. If you would see these out, you'd pay a lot of money for them. Then here is this one. I love what I did with the little heart there. I think it added a lot to it. And then here it sets. I love the top on it. That candy really picks up all the colors, and I think they're so pretty together. So if you want to try this really cute candy jar, they're so easy to make, but they make a beautiful addition to your Valentine's kitchen. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.